All right, all my stuff is ready. Let's put my car back together. I've got my side panel, like the kick panel, all kinds of other panels and stuff all over the place. My carpet is over here. More side panels and whatnot. All my stuff is already hooked up, so all this should be ready to go back together. I can finally hook this back up again, so whenever I brake hard, this thing doesn't just slide off. That was pretty annoying. So I got myself some of this Dynaliner. I got the 1/2-inch thick stuff. This stuff doesn't weigh much. Like you can see, I'm barely holding on to this whole box here. I don't know how much is in here. It's 12 square foot. So let's see what I can do with this. It's pretty simple. It's just a roll of foam. It's pretty high density, spongy, thick foam. What I'm gonna do is peel this old stuff off and just clean up this stuff right here. And then stick new pieces over this. Okay, look how it is with just the carpet in right now. It looks so much better already. Even though it's so dirty and I just still need to clean it up and whatnot. I'm very excited to put the panels back in too, just to see what this is like. My car has been apart like this for about 1.5 years now. It's nice to see it all come back together. Everything will be cleaned up with the brand new seat covers. Yeah, man, yeah. Few bad things about having a car open and scattered apart for so long. You start to wonder, did you lose any pieces? Do you still remember where all the pieces go? I don't know. I think I have another tub of hardware because all these clips, I'm sure there are more clips and bolts and stuff than I have right there. So let's get cracking. I don't know where any of these clips are. These are the kinds with the center that pops out and then they just kind of spread out. I found some remnants of these broken ones, but I'll probably have to get new ones for this. I'm gonna go over to that side and finish that side up. You can already see how nice this looks right here. That looks awesome right now. All right, my interiors are all back together. Let's take a quick look around in here to see what has changed or how it looks. So you can see my carpet, my panels and everything are back in. I got these Cara laptop sleeves to hold stuff. My seats are excellent because it's the same fabric as they originally were, except they're not like blue denim jeans anymore. The red has been redone too with a very similar tweed material. I had my seat slightly modified. There's now about 1 inch or 2 of foam removed from here so I can sit a smidge lower. I'm still trying to get as low as I can just to see as much of my gauge as possible. It's probably not going to happen. I also had to modify my seat because I had no lumbar support. My back was starting to hurt over some longer drives. So I have a manual pump here. You just pump this up and you can release it. I guess you can't really see it, but this makes a big difference. Same with the passenger seat, everything's brand new. The carpet and stuff is all back in there with the Dynamat and the Dynaliner stuff. I also have my spare tire mounted again. I don't really want it, so I might just remove it. I replaced my flare with my fire extinguisher. It's one of those element fire extinguishers. You can like strike it and it creates this chemical that displaces all the oxygen so it puts any fires out. I still have to replace a couple screws here. They're like little screws that I lost. I found new push pins that do fit in here, and they all popped in pretty nice. This right here is where I'm going to keep my dimmer switch for my gauge pod so I can make them brighter or darker. Up here I have my Spotify car thing mounted. Aha, aha. As you've all seen, my gauge pods are all here. I still have trouble adhering this to my pillar here. I've tried all kinds of things, everything keeps falling off, and everybody keeps suggesting, hey, just put a screw in it and whatever. I'm like, I don't want to do that. Up here is my HKS EVC3 boost controller that I've mounted up here, right on the dash so I can always monitor what's going on. Hidden underneath here is my turbo timer I've wedged under the steering column there. And since I don't really need to access it, I just set it to whatever I need it to and I just leave it. If I want to change it, I'll change it. It's easy to get at. I also have my extra horn button here. And I have my main horn. My car is off, so it doesn't generate enough power to blast those two air compressor horns. I also have that Autozam handbrake cover here. This used to just be the floppy carpet, the OEM floppy carpet just showing here. It looked kind of unfinished. Figured I'd just get that cover. I spray painted it black. It's a pretty similar color to what I have. I didn't paint this. This is still OEM. See that kind of poor fit and finish, but it is what it is. It's a K car. Super excited. I'm super happy that everything's finally put back together. So, yeah, that's it. That's it. Thank you for watching. There's plenty more to come, so please subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to visit my website, anythingwheel.com, to pick up some goodies from my shop page. You can buy vinyl banners like this for an Autozam or a Suzuki Sport. You can also get parts such as these performance part upgrades for your car. Here's an originality downpipe developed for the Autozam AZ-1 and Suzuki Cara. You can get one like this without a catalytic converter, and you can also get one with the catalytic converter if your government regulations require you to have one. It also comes in a set where you'll have both halves, so you can have one for track days and one for street driving so you can stay road legal.
All the details about these items can be found on the shop page on the website.